Have you ever pondered the contrast between the leading AI technologies today? Picture this: a world where machines can communicate, create, and even think like humans. This is no longer a figment of the imagination, but a reality we're increasingly moving towards, thanks to artificial intelligence. Let's dive into the fascinating world of AI, exploring the strengths, weaknesses, and unique features of four major players in this space. OpenAI's GPT, Google's Bard, Microsoft's Copilot, and Apple's forthcoming AI. OpenAI's GPT is a force to be reckoned with. It's an AI language model that can generate human-like text. Its strength lies in its ability to understand context, producing relevant and coherent responses. However, it's not without its flaws. Its weakness? It lacks the ability to fact-check, and sometimes it might generate text that's inappropriate or biased. Despite these, its unique feature is its versatility. It can be used for tasks ranging from drafting emails to writing Python code. Next up is Google's Bard, an AI model that can write poems. Its strength is its ability to create unique, creative content, a testament to Google's breakthrough in AI creativity. But it's not perfect. Its weakness lies in its inability to understand nuanced human emotions, which can lead to poems that lack depth. Its unique feature, however, is its potential for creating art, opening up exciting possibilities for AI in the creative industry. On the other hand, we have Microsoft's Copilot, an AI-powered assistant for developers. Its strength is its ability to suggest code snippets, making coding easier and more efficient. However, it does have a weakness. It's not always accurate, and developers still need to double-check its suggestions. Despite this, its unique feature is its integration with Visual Studio Code, making it a handy tool for developers worldwide. Lastly, we're anticipating Apple's forthcoming AI. While details about it are still under wraps, we can expect it to possess the sophistication, sleekness, and user-centric design that Apple products are known for. So, how do these AI technologies stack up against each other? OpenAI's GPT is versatile and context-aware but lacks fact-checking abilities. Google's Bard excels in creativity but struggles with understanding nuanced emotions. Microsoft's Copilot makes coding more efficient, yet its suggestions aren't always accurate. And Apple's forthcoming AI? Only time will tell. In essence, each of these AI technologies brings something unique to the table. Their differences highlight the diverse applications of AI, from creative writing to coding assistance. Despite their flaws, they're all stepping stones towards a future where AI might be as versatile and intelligent as humans. And that brings us to the end of our exploration of these fascinating AI technologies. Each one has its strengths, weaknesses, and unique features, painting a picture of the diverse and exciting landscape of AI. Regardless of their differences, they all share a common goal: pushing the boundaries of what's possible with AI. The future of AI is certainly something to look forward to, isn't it?